Hey guys, welcome to this channel. Once again, this is Shukesh and today I will be unboxing the all new OnePlus 7 Pro. I have purchased this phone from a retail shop, so this is not a review unit. This is exactly the box you get when you buy the phone. Now, inside the box, the first thing you get is the booklet and also this transparent silicone case. On my left, I have the case of OnePlus 60. I will try on this case later. This is the device itself. Well, I have been using this phone actually for one day. So I will share with you my first impression of this OnePlus 7 Pro as well in this video. So this is the device with a true edge-to-edge display, which I love a lot. There is no notch nonsense, no punch hole, no water drop notch, nothing. It's just a simple plain smartphone. I've been reviewing phones for like 8 years on YouTube and I can say this is the dream. This is the perfect form factor for a smartphone. This is an invitation letter from the founder and CEO of OnePlus, which is Pete Lau. Now OnePlus 7 Pro has been upgraded in couple of areas, starting from the adapter. Gone are the days of the dash charger, which was 20 watt. You now get a warp charger 30 watt, which is really crazy. You will get about 48% charge in just 20 minutes. I will definitely do a battery charging as well as discharging speed test, so keep in touch with this channel. And lastly, you get the trendy OnePlus cable. Now OnePlus is all about speed. The face unlock feature of 60 was too damn fast, but with the pop-up camera it might not be as fast, but it's really acceptable. I mean, I can live with this since it's so intuitive. Though it's not as secure as Face ID, it's just a plain simple camera and the on-screen finger scanner, which is now perfected with blazing fast response. I mean, the physical finger scanner of OnePlus was the fastest in the world, but on the 60 the optical sensor was not that fast. Now I am totally satisfied with the speed. It's now on par with the OnePlus level speed. Now definitely this transparent case doesn't justify the awesome beautiful design of this smartphone. I mean, the edges are quite shiny and distracting. I really prefer the dark case of OnePlus 60. Now definitely this new OnePlus 7 Pro is gonna be a game changer for the company. It got rid of the notch for the good. I really don't mind the motorized front camera. It looks cool and something to show off. Even the lowest end smartphones nowadays gets this water drop design, so there should be something awesome, and this is it. Even at the bottom you get a narrower bezel. I mean, nobody talks about the chin, but it makes the phone asymmetric. On this new 7 Pro it's on par with this iPhone XS Max. That's why I will say OnePlus 7 Pro is the most aesthetically designed smartphone, and in addition to that, the screen curves at the edges definitely taking cues from Samsung. This adds to the beauty of the phone. The screen seems popped up or floating. The phone also seems slimmer and the back panel also curves at the edges, just like this Note 9. I wanted to get the Nebula Blue, but I had to settle for the Falcon Grey because the blue and almond colors are not coming till May 28th. Now for the first time, OnePlus 7 Pro gets a Quad HD Fluid AMOLED 6.67-inch display with refresh rate of 90 FPS, which gives you a great feeling. Actually, it seems like everything is smooth. There is no rush, no frame drop. At the same time, it's keeping the speed. You can read the text even when you are swiping, and for gaming lovers, there cannot be a better phone than this OnePlus 7 Pro. Definitely this higher refresh rate will be eating up more battery, but you get a bigger battery this time, 4000 mAh lithium polymer. From the settings you can switch to 60 Hz as well. To optimize the battery, OnePlus might introduce variable frame rate. The front pop-up camera module pops up in just 0.53 seconds and it's a 16 megapixel 25mm lens with f2.0. The pop-up motor life is about 300,000 times, so if you're a heavy user and want to use the phone for 4 to 5 years, better not use the front camera unlocking. At the rear you get 3 cameras, wide angle 0.6x, the normal camera which is 26mm, and also a 3x optical zoom lens with OIS both on the 3x and 1x camera. The wide-angle lens doesn't work in the video mode. I hope that OnePlus will give us the option in future updates. On the front camera you can record 1080p videos, so no quad HD, no 60 fps. The main camera records 4K 60 fps videos. The button placement is ergonomic. The glass finish is quite shiny, beautiful but quite slippery, and also a dust magnet. You get dual 4G SIM slot, USB 3.1 Type-C port, a huge upgrade from USB 2.0, and also you get dual stereo speakers. The main speaker is at the bottom and the ear speaker also doubles as the loudspeaker, and I've tested the speakers. It's quite loud enough for indoor movie watching and for gaming. So OnePlus 7 Pro gets the best of all the other phones out there. This new OnePlus flagship gets the Snapdragon 855 implementing 7nm process. The RAM is up to 12GB, and there is also RAM boost option, that is games will load from the RAM instead of the storage for faster loading. The storage is UFS 3.0, and also this smartphone gets liquid cooling of the processor. So this is what you call a true gaming device. If you are looking for a gaming phone, just get this phone already. Now though, in terms of performance, this is the best phone hands down. To be called a flagship, there are few things or few areas OnePlus could have perfected, like there is still no certification of water and dust resistance, no wireless charging, no IR blaster or micro SD card slot, and they didn't even include a 3.5mm adapter in the box, which makes me quite angry actually. The price has also gone up. It's now almost in the flagship range, though other smartphone makers are also charging exorbitant rates for their flagships, so I cannot really blame OnePlus. It's still quite value for money, I will say. OnePlus 7 is also there with lower price tag, but I think OnePlus 7 is basically an excuse to make the phone pricier. I mean, Apple did the same with the iPhone 10 and iPhone 8. Well guys, that's my first impression of the OnePlus 7 Pro. Keep in touch with this channel, subscribe, and do check my future uploads.